One of the first things we're going to do after we have prepared EIGRP with the simple autonomous system number and the network statements, we're going to validate our config. And we really need to do this command early on. Show IP EIGRP neighbors. So our verification for EIGRP mostly falls under show IP EIGRP. We tack on neighbors, and it's going to show us a number of rows equal to the number of neighbors that we have. And so you want to count this. How many neighbors does router 1 have? Just one. One neighbor for router 2. Does it really matter? H is the index. Do these values really matter inside of the show output? Not really. I wouldn't worry about the index or the address of our neighbor and the interface we use the whole time, how long it's been in it's been a neighbor. Smooth round trip time is a quality of service metric for RTP and things like sequence numbers. We don't really care about that so much. So let's go to our environment, and this is the way that I would use this verification command. I would come in here, I do a show IP EIGRP neighbor, and R4 sees 4 different neighborships. And I would compare and contrast that with my topology, and I have one on gig 20, serial 1/0, and I see both R5 and R6, which I can verify with the final octet of my neighboring IP address, which the convention in this is to use the router number whenever possible as the final octet of the IP address, and then the redundant interface going on to router 6 looks to be 1/2. So everything looks good. And when we see this, we can be assured that we're getting the entirety of the information that our neighbor can share with us.